So Garmin just dropped the Quatix 8, and if you're into boats, adventure, or just want a smartwatch that does way more than your average wrist gadget, this one's going to turn heads. Watch this video till the end to discover new facts about the Quatix 8 you probably haven't heard anywhere else. Right away, you notice that 1.4-inch AMOLED display, sharp, bright, and built to shine even in harsh sunlight. But it's not just about looks. This thing is marine tough. Dive rated to 40 meters, leak-proof buttons, and wrapped in titanium. Bonus: it's made from recycled ocean-bound plastic. Eco-friendly meets boat-ready. Now let's talk control. This isn't just a smartwatch, it's a marine command center. You can steer your boat using the watch, control your chart plotter, fusion stereo, trolling motor, even your autopilot with just your wrist. And yeah, it takes voice commands. Literally tell your boat what to do. And that built-in LED flashlight? It's dimmable, includes a red light mode, and super handy whether you're out at sea or just stumbling around the house at night. But it doesn't stop there. The Quatix 8 is loaded with boating and sailing features. Set waypoints, get alerts for tide changes or anchor drag, track regattas with race timers, and crush those sailing sessions with tack assist and race guidance. When you're not on the water, this thing keeps working. You can take Bluetooth calls, respond to messages, stream music from Spotify, make Garmin Pay purchases, and even track your favorite stocks. Off-grid? No problem. It supports two-way messaging via Garmin Messenger. Health and fitness? Oh, it's packed. We're talking heart rate, ECG, pulse ox, sleep tracking, HRV, stress, body battery, nap detection, even jet lag tips. And for athletes, race predictors, grade adjusted pace, VO2 max, HIIT, multi-sport tracking, and Garmin Coach. It adapts your workouts based on your performance. Smart, right? Navigation is next level with multi-band GPS, SATIQ tech, ABC sensors, full topo-active maps, and support for BlueChart G3, Lakeview, Next Fork, and even ski resort and golf course maps. Wherever you go, it's ready. Battery? Solid. 16 days on the 47 mil and up to 29 days on the 51 mil in smartwatch mode. That's nearly a month without a charge. Price? Starts at $1199.99. And yeah, it's premium. But if you live on the water or want a watch that seriously does it all, the Quatix 8 might just be the ultimate flex. This thing isn't just smart, it's brilliant.